In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox with no sound. First, open Roblox and join any game or experience. Press Escape to open the Roblox menu. Go to Settings and make sure the volume is turned up. If the Roblox volume is set too low, increase it and test the sound again. Next, check that the correct output device is selected, such as your speakers, headphones, or monitor audio. Next, check your Windows sound. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and open Volume Mixer. Make sure Roblox is not muted and that the volume slider is turned up. If it still does not work, close Roblox completely and open it again. You can also restart your computer, reconnect your headphones, or update your audio driver. And that's it, you've now fixed Roblox with no sound.